everyone! Let's learn animal names and facts at the double waterfall. Frog. Female frogs lay frog spawn, which can contain 2,000 to 4,000 eggs. Snake. There are around 3,900 species of snake. Lemur. The largest lemur species is the indri. Goat. Goats sneeze to warn other goats of danger. Owl. The fastest type of owl is the great horned owl, which can fly at 40 miles per hour. Crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles can hold their breath for up to 8 hours. Lion. Male African lions typically weigh between 150 to 250 kilograms. Chicken. A healthy chicken typically lays between 4 to 6 eggs a week. Koala. Koalas have 2 opposable thumbs on each front paw and 1 on each back paw. Pig. Pigs can run at up to 11 miles per hour. Monkey. A howler monkey's call can be heard up to 3 miles away. Sheep. Sheep can recognize up to 50 other sheep faces. Panda. Pandas spend up to 12 hours a day eating. Lizard. There are over 6,000 species of lizard. Crocodile. Crocodiles can swim at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Slug. Some slugs can stretch up to 20 times their normal length. Owl. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. Monkey. A group of monkeys is called a troop or tribe. Frog. There are around 7,300 species of frog. Koala. Koalas can sleep up to 18 hours a day. Elephant. Elephants can weigh up to 6 tons and grow to 13 feet tall.